Animal spirit, totem medicine and healing, DNA activation. There are different ways to activate your DNA. Allow the spirit animals to help you gain the keys to DNA activation. Accumulating your keys to activating your spiritual gifts. Spirit animals will help you gain the knowledge and wisdom in becoming one with God, the universe. Animals are quite keen to their surroundings. Animals live in complete balance with Mother Earth. Something humans forgot how to do, which is causing an imbalance. Animals do not need clocks to tell time. And our forefathers